Hello, people of the world. This is Jason is Lost. I'm in Osaka today, here in Tokyo. This morning, I'm in Kyoto. As a foreigner in Japan with a camera, I am, of course, obligated to film myself eating stuff. So, where on earth are you taking me today, guys?
Well, today we're going somewhere a bit different, a bit weird. We're going somewhere where you can fish for your food. Oh, no!
Does it usually take this long? Or?
Oh!
Why did you choose such an angry fish? So this is my sea bream that I caught. I don't know what to say, man. That's crazy. But it's a shame because it's such a beautiful fish. But also, it's a victory and tastes so damn delicious.
So we got this delicious nitsuke. It's kind of like a broiled sea bream, I guess. And we're about to dig into, oh my god. Oh my god. That's, I think, my favorite thing on the entire menu. It's sweet, a little warm.
Today, I'm with my friends and we're going to the actual restaurant. Yes, the actual Unagi Ryu's Michelin-starred restaurant here in Tokyo. Starting off with the gyoza here at Unagi Ryu. I feel really happy, really like rich, really good. Now this is the main event. This is the ramen here and Unagi Ryu. We've got this perfectly boiled egg. We've got this pork steak, I guess, that looks gorgeous. Let's try the pork. Okay, I'm out of my depth, man. I'm not a food reviewer. I'm not an authority on ramen or anything like that. I'm just the guy sitting here being blown away. If you wait an hour and a half, I think you're allowed to take an Instagram photo. Definitely. I'm in Osaka, and obviously I have to have some takoyaki, the main dish of the city. And I'm sure you're aware it's fried octopus balls. So first you add your takoyaki sauce, and then you add your mayonnaise. And lastly, the bonito fish flakes. And with the heat coming up from the takoyaki, you actually see the bonito flakes dance. And how does it taste? And of course, there's always an excuse for more street food. This is like really thick cut bacon. I'm actually in line for this really popular Taiyaki stall. Hot and fresh red bean paste Taiyaki. Let's give it a go. It's hot. It's really hot. Oh, it's so good. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jason is Lost, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.